One day, they'll tell us these moments were ordinary, that cars were just tools, roads just lines on a map. But we'll know better. We'll remember the smell of petrol on our hands, the sound of an engine echoing through an empty street at dawn, and the feeling of being infinite for a heartbeat. We grew up watching machines we couldn't afford, taping posters to our bedroom walls, counting the days until we could hold a steering wheel of our own. Now those posters have turned into metal and rubber in our garages, and yet, the feeling hasn't aged a bit. It's still there, humming beneath the noise of life, a quiet promise of freedom. A car is not just a machine. It's a time capsule. It carries our memories, our mistakes, our midnight escapes. It's a way of touching the world without a screen between us. One day, these engines will fall silent, and the world will move on. But passion doesn't age, and it doesn't fade. It hides in the places where we keep our dreams alive. Under dust covers, in forgotten garages, on empty back roads. And as long as someone still turns a key, somewhere, this feeling survives. This film is not about horsepower or speed. It's about us, the ones who remember, and the ones who refuse to forget.